So there's hail.
That's what happens when you see jingle bells ringing.
And all of those trees are all chopped up from whatever came through here. No, I can't really see that way. We're still trying to get back into North Brookfield from Route 8. But all that damage. Probably the only people in the world trying to get into Brookfield right now.
North Brookfield.
North Brookfield. Those big trees down. Missed the barn. Took out light poles. Saved the house. Crazy up in here.
Look at the pile of hail.
I know, the pile of hail, that's what I'm telling you guys. It's just crazy. They said it rolled through, what, 2:30, 3 o'clock?
About 3:30.
Saved a house. Uprooted that big tree. Wow. Yeah, I know it's not. The hail, piles of hail. It's like it had a snowstorm or something.